Hello Ray, it's the Rob here at Voss Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2013 Can-Am Spyder STS with a 2300 kilometers on it. The price is $13,888 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is in absolutely perfect condition, black and yellow. Very nice gunmetal rims. Tires are like brand new because the mileage is absolutely low. And it has the acrylic exhaust with the carbon tip and carbon heat shield on it too. The backrest, it comes with it. There's the rear tire. So the bike is nice. It is a semi-automatic. You can switch gears with the plus and minus. It has a reverse, of course, has a cruise control. So the bike is ready to go. If you have any question regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. Here's the VIN number just in case if you need it for insurance purpose. And I do have another 2016 Can-Am Spyder R black. It's a little bit different shape now. So here both are available. That's a 21888 F3T. Thank you.